Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on the application of Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.